Okay, today we're going to have a look at doing a two-digit number multiplied by another two-digit number. Now, this is slightly different to the last calculation that we looked at, which was a three-digit number multiplied by a one-digit number. Now, in this calculation, 35 is our multiplier. We are doing 35 lots of 26. So if I'm going to set that out as a written multiplication, I will have 26 multiplied by 35. Okay, and you'll notice I'm doing some extra lines here in my working out, and we'll talk about why we need those in a moment. Now, because I'm multiplying by a two-digit multiplier, I have got to add a placeholder on my second line. This is a tens number, 35, 3 tens, 5 ones. So I'm going to need a placeholder here because I'm going to be multiplying by a digit that is in the tens column. Now, first of all, we are going to start multiplying the digits on the top line by 5. Okay, so if we needed to, we could write out our 5 times table to help us. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. Or we should know our 5 times table, so we should be able to calculate this quite easily. So I'm going to do 6 times 5, which is 30. Now I've got a 3 to carry over. This time I'm going to put that up there so I don't forget it. Then I'm going to do 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10, but I've got to add on my 3, so that makes 13. And you can see that if I do 26 multiplied by 5, which is what I've done, I've got 130 as my answer. Okay, now this is the part that's a little bit different, is now we're going to multiply 26 by 3 tens, by 30. Now, because I've already put my placeholder here, it means that I can complete my calculation as if that were just a 3 rather than 30, because I've put my placeholder here to help me. So, first of all, I'm going to do 3 multiplied by 6. Now again, now I know I'm working with my 3 times table. If I wanted to do some calculations to help me out, I might write out my 3 times table to help me so that I know I can very quickly look down here. So 3 times 6 is 18. So we've got an 8, and then I must remember I've got another 1 to carry over in the hundreds column. Okay, then I'm going to do 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6, but I've got to add that 1 on there, which makes 7. So I can see that 26 multiplied by 30 is 780. Okay, now my final step is to add together my 2 steps of the calculation. So I'm going to do 0 plus 0, which is 0, 8 plus 3, which is 11, carry my 1, 1 plus 7 is 8, and 1 more, so it makes 910 as my final answer. Okay.